So in this topic, I am going to discuss about grey water management. So here I will discuss about the definition of grey water, the importance of reusing of grey water, and how we can recycle grey water at home. So what is grey water? Grey water or sewage is all the wastewater generated in households or office buildings from streams without facial contamination. So let me repeat it for you. Grey water or sewage is all the wastewater generated in the households or office buildings for streams without facial contamination. The sources of grey water include sinks, showers, baths, washing machines or dishwashers. So all the sources in household except toilet can be a source of grey water. As grey water contains fewer pathogens than domestic wastewater, it is generally safer to handle and easier to treat and reuse on-site for toilet flushing, landscape or crop irrigation and other non-potable uses. So, as grey water contains fewer pathogens than domestic wastewater, it is generally safer to handle them and easier to treat and reuse on-site for toilet flushing, landscape or crop irrigation and any other non-potable uses. Now what is the importance and use of grey water reuse? The application of grey water reuse in urban water systems provides substantial benefits for both the water supply subsystem by reducing the demand for fresh clean water and for the wastewater subsystem by reducing the amount of wastewater required to be conveyed and treated. The issue of grey water management, which includes wastewater from bath, laundry and kitchen but excluding toilet wastewater, is steadily gaining importance, especially in low and middle income countries where inadequate wastewater management has a detrimental impact on public health and the environment. So, the issue of grey water management is gaining importance, especially in low and middle income countries where inadequate wastewater management has an impact on public health and the environment. In recent years, as you can see, inadequate grey water management has not only been linked to environmental degradation and health risks, but also has been increasingly identified as a valuable resource rather than a waste. We can also see that appropriate reuse of grey water not only reduces agricultural use of drinking water and water costs, but also increases food security and improves public health. So appropriate reuse of grey water has a positive impact on public health also. It also reduces the need for fresh water. Saving on fresh water can significantly reduce household water bills but also has a broader community benefit in reducing demands on public water supply. Another benefit of reusing of grey water is that it reduces the amount of wastewater entering sewers or on-site treatment systems. So this can benefit the individual household but also the broader community. So these are few of the importances of the reuse of grey water. Now, how to recycle grey water at home? How we can recycle grey water at home? There are 4 easy steps. So let us look at them. Usually our houses are built in a way that black water and grey water get mixed. To avoid this, separate pipelines are needed to isolate the discharge of both these kind of wastewater. So to avoid the mixture of grey and black water, separate pipelines are needed to discharge the grey and black water. While the black water can go into the drain, grey water pipe can be diverted to a small tank where all such water gets collected. We can allow the black water to go to the drain, but grey water pipe can be diverted to a small tank where all such water gets collected. So while the water from bathroom will contain things like hair oil and soap sediments, water from kitchen sink might have tidbit of food items like rice, lentils or other such contents. Once grey water is collected separately, the next step is to filter the water. After the filtration process, grey water is fit to be used for gardening or washing purpose. The filtered water can be diverted to garden. So these are 4 easy steps by which we can recycle and reuse grey water at home. So with this, the topic comes to an end. Let me take a recap of what we have discussed in this topic. We have discussed about the definition of grey water, the importance of grey water management and reusing of grey water, and how we can recycle and reuse grey water at home. Now with this, I am ending this topic.